Hello everyone. Let's make this cuff earrings. 20 gauge wire,
26 gauge wire, nylon beading wire, 1 and 3 on golden beads, 6 on beds, beading needle, add 4 beds. Bring them down and make 2 knots with both the wires.
pass the needle through the next bed after the knot. Add 3 beds, pass through the same bead from the back. Pass through the next bed. Add 2 beds, pass through the 2 beds. Pass through the next bed. Add 2 beds, pass through the 2 beds. Pass through the next 2 beds. Add 1 bed, pass through the next 3 beds. Pass through all the top 4 beds and join them together. Repeat the previous steps. Pass through all the top beds and make a knot at the end. Leave 0.5 wire and cut the extra wire on both the sides. Burn the ends to secure the knot. Take 26 gauge wire and wrap around 20 gauge wire to make a spring. Remove the spring and cut the extra wires on both the sides. Make 2 springs. Take 20 gauge wire of 13 centimeters. Add the spring. Hold both sides of the spring with pliers and rotate the pliers. This will tighten the spring and keeps it in place. Add beds and the spring. Lock the spring as done on the other side. Place the plier and bend the wire. Cut the extra wire. Repeat the same on the other side. File the sharp ends with a filer. Bend the wire. Ear cuffs are ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.